All right, let's talk about taking one of the most common pieces of furniture out there and turning it into a super smart, stylish, and functional solution for your home. Yep, today we are diving deep into the humble IKEA shelf and how you can use it to create the perfect room divider.
You know the feeling, right? It's a classic problem. You've got this great open plan space, or a studio apartment, or maybe just one big room that has to be like 3 different rooms at once. So how do you create those separate zones without actually, building a wall?
And that's really the heart of the challenge for so many of us, isn't it? We're trying to carve out a home office or separate our bedroom from our living room or make a little play zone for the kids, all inside the same 4 walls. The trick is getting that separation without losing that awesome, open, airy feeling.
So enter our hero, the IKEA KALLAX shelving unit. I know, you've seen it a million times, but trust me, we're going to look at it in a totally new light today. This thing is so much more than just a place for your books. It's honestly one of the most versatile and effective room dividers you can possibly get. And here's why this whole idea is so brilliant. Think about it. A simple screen or a curtain, they just split a room. That's it. But the KALLAX gives back. It doesn't just divide your space, it adds a ton of function right back into it.
I mean, it's almost like the KALLAX was born for this job. First off, it looks great from every single angle. No ugly, unfinished back panel to worry about. The open cubes are absolutely crucial, because they let all that beautiful light filter through, which stops the small space from feeling all closed in and cramped. And of course, you get all that amazing storage while creating the exact visual boundary you were looking for. It's a win-win-win.
Okay, so once you've got the basic shelf in place, this is where the real fun begins. Now we get to take that simple grid of cubes and totally elevate it with all kinds of accessories that add both function and a ton of style.
And honestly, this is where that whole IKEA ecosystem just shines. They've literally designed a whole universe of inserts. We're talking boxes, baskets, doors, drawers, you name it, that are made to fit perfectly inside those KALLAX cubes. There's zero guesswork involved. It just works. Just listen to this. It's a perfect example from our source material talking about the brand bowl basket. It stands on its own, thanks to its playful legs, but it's also made to fit perfectly inside KALLAX cubes. How great is that? It just shows you that these accessories are designed to be cool all by themselves, but they're also engineered to slot right into the KALLAX, adding color, texture, and, let's be real, a fantastic way to hide all your clutter.
So this is where you really get to play and create a totally custom look. The trick is to create a kind of rhythm, Maybe use some Drona boxes to hide the messy stuff, but then leave other cubes totally open for your favorite books or a few plants. You could even add a glass door to show off something special. It's that mix and match vibe that makes it feel personal and decorative, and not just like a boring wall of storage.
But hey, don't think you have to stop with just the inserts. Not at all. The KALLAX is basically a blank canvas, just waiting for you to come along and put your own creative stamp all over it.
And there are so many awesome, simple things you can do. For real. You could paint it a bold color that matches your room. Or what about adding a little wallpaper to the back of the cubes for a pop of pattern? Adding legs, like the Capita or non-ARP styles, instantly makes it look more like an intentional piece of furniture. Or, and this is probably my favorite, you can put it on casters. Then you have a flexible, movable wall that can change whenever you need it to. How cool is that? All right, you ready to take this to the next level? Let's get into a couple of pro-level tricks for using the KALLAX to create a really significant, really impactful division in your space.
Okay, this move is genius, especially if you have a bigger room. You just take 2 KALLAX units and place them back to back. All of a sudden, you have this much thicker, more architectural-looking divider. It stops feeling like a shelf and starts feeling like a real, modern, functional wall. And the best part? You get double the storage with access from both sides of your new room.
And hey, don't forget to think vertically. Using one of the taller KALLAX models can create a seriously dramatic separation. This is absolutely perfect if you're trying to carve out a real home office, or maybe give the kids' play area its own distinct zone. That extra height really helps to anchor the whole space and makes the division feel so much more intentional. So, when you boil it all down, what are we really talking about here? The KALLAX as a room divider is the ultimate multitasker. It's not just one thing, it's 3 things all at once. It's storage, it's style, and it's separation. That's the magic formula right there. Now you might be thinking, what if the KALLAX feels a little too big for my space? Well, IKEA has you covered there too with another awesome option called IKEA. Think of it as KALLAX's lighter, more modular cousin. It's perfect for smaller scale divisions, or if you want to get creative and stack cubes in a more funky, asymmetrical way. Definitely a great alternative to keep in your back pocket. So, at the end of the day, this is about way more than just furniture, right? It's about looking at your home and seeing all the amazing potential hiding in plain sight. Your space really is a canvas, and a simple shelf can be your brush. So the only real question is, how are you going to divide it?